Y'all see what I'm doing? Oh, I show you. Vibing. Goddamn vibing. Yeah. Vibing. Yeah. Vibing. Yeah. Vibing. The fact that the world has found my TikTok, I am embarrassed. My TikTok is only for TikTokers because they don't judge me and I love y'all. But the rest of the world...
Are you ready to be blessed with the greatest quarantine gaming equipment ever?
I fell asleep amid the flowers for a couple of hours on a beautiful day. Daydream, I fell asleep amid the flowers for a...
Okay, I'm going to show you guys something and I'm only going to do this once. Guys, I'm in Best Buy. I just want to show you these washers and dryers, okay? I mean, look at these. These are normal people washing dryers. These are just the washer and dryer that society knows, all right? Now, when I get home, I'm going to show you the extremist my mother is in the washer and dryers that she felt I needed to have. Okay, now look at these extreme washer and dryers my mama got. These shits are like bullies. Like, these were the bullies in school. These shits are so fucking stupid. This shit has a washer on top of the washer. This shit has a dryer on top of the dryer. And all these fucking modes. Who the fuck need all these modes, man? Hot and cold. My mom is so extra. Type of shit that my mom orders me. $100 bill toilet paper. I feel like the first video was enough. I need you guys to see how sexy these bad babies are. Oh, yeah. Oh, you like that? Oh, yeah, don't you like that? You're so nasty. You like that? You freak. I just got 3 million followers, y'all. Nigga said I wasn't gonna be nothing. Y'all don't understand. This is like a beast. That's a real force to be reckoned with. That shit is mending. This is, yo, bro. That is. Don't you just love when the front side of your house looks like an evil takeover? And then the back looks like paradise?
You know, George Floyd didn't actually die, right? You know, it was just all a setup by the Democrats. Yeah, they set it up so that they could make Trump look bad. They really want to make him look like a white supremacist. So they set it all up. He's not actually dead. And they're just trying to make sure that he doesn't get reelected in the fall. That's what a family member said to me this weekend as we sat across the table at lunch. And I had to shut it down. All lives cannot matter until Black lives matter. Did you forget that I'm married to a black man? What is wrong with people?
I want to show you guys my new couch. It's pretty weird and wicked. And you guys are like, what the fuck? How do you sit on that? I'll show you. All right, that's me sitting like a normal human being on the edge of it. Yes, sitting normal. There's me laying a sleepy boat, relaxing and living life to the fullest of capacity. Yes. Jungle boy boat. Sitting in a curious way. And that's me at the top. Because, bitch, I'm at the top, bitch. Woo! Fabulous. I don't have nothing to talk about. I just want to show the ice. Look at the earrings. Ooh, I just want to show the ice. I wore this today, by the way. This is not all of it. This is simply what I wore today. Drive day.
Yeah.
It's your piece of burnt.
No, the outside maybe.
The drive day is your piece of burnt.
No, are you gonna eat it?
Drive day is your
Are
piece
you
of
gonna
burnt.
eat it?
This nigga piece of burnt is fine! You talking to me? There? There? Ah! I asked my mom to give me a shower cap. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this big ass shower cap? Like, who the fuck? What the fuck am I putting in this shit? Damn, look at that growth. I just bought a new four-wheeler. 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 Just got these nails done. I got all kind of cool designs. Got the X, a little fast. You know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? 97, 8-ball cross, some money. I love money. The toes, too. Look at the toes. It's toes. Just came in the gas station. And you see what they got to do, motherfucker? Oh, my 3D motherfuckers, yo. Coming to my second home.
My second home, Yachty's second home.
Where I spent a lot of time. Let me take you out to some of the good stuff. Sheesh. The flood. Jesus. See, back in my day, not about all of this. All of this. All of this. That's why I gotta stay in school, kids. And this how you know it's a real jewelry store.
Real diamonds.
When they got him. Hey man, anybody need any motivation? I want you to know something, man. Today's Friday. Not just regular Friday, motivational Friday. And today's your day, man. You're doing good, you're doing great, you're on track to success. Anybody going to tell you that you're not on track to success? Tell them, move out of their way. Tell them, move out of their way because you're on the way to success and you're doing great things. You're positive. Today's your day. Today's your day. No one. Let's see what's in the freezer today. Oh! I just want to take the time to say, anybody who puts bacon on the milkshake is sick and will burn in hell. Y'all, I need y'all to see what the fuck I got going on. I got a hot Cheeto chicken sandwich with bacon. Yeah, that's hot Cheeto wrapped around my chicken. God damn! Do shit like this to get our voices heard, but I feel like, you know what I'm saying, we got to stand for something or fall for anything, you know what I'm saying? So, it's just, it doesn't make any sense to me, you know, as I sat home, you know, and I'm trying to make it add up as to why we have to go through breaking windows, demolishing this is ours. This is, you know what I'm saying, like, we may not own it, but we live here. We raising our families here, and we building up our lives here. So it's unfortunate we gotta do this just to show our frustration. You know what I mean? It shouldn't take that. But that's the life we live in. And we gotta do what we gotta do. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna stick together because that's most important, whether you black, whether you white, green, yellow, purple. We together. You know what I'm saying? We're a family. And we're gonna show them what it takes. You know what I'm saying?
Ah, shit, y'all. They don't really shit.
That's what it is. You know what I'm saying? Black lives. Yo! It's about to happen. Mom! Mom, it's about to happen.